Yep, so the second method is substitution. This is one that I always use. Basically, it works for any examples. So here we have equation 1, equation 2. What do we see? Okay, we see that equation 1 is already in the subject of y, right? So what can we do? We can sub 1 into 2. What does this actually mean? Well, 2 looks like this, 3x plus y. But what's y? 3x plus 2x plus 1 equals 11, yeah? So what do we get here? 5x plus 1 is 11. 5x equals 10. X equals 2. So we have x. What do we do now? Yeah, we sub x into either 1 or 2. We're going to do 1 because it's already a subject of y. So y equals to 2. 2 plus 1 equals 5. And we're done. All the best.